Good evening, folks. Welcome to Unapologetic-Tea Time with your host, PG. This is a test run. This is a test run. Thank you. Hello, all my listeners out there. This is PG, your Unapologetic Tea Time host. I want to say thank you for stopping in even to listen to my test run of the up-and-coming new show that I'm going to be hosting once a week. Right now, the 2018 midterm elections, folks, are fast approaching us. Many of us are not satisfied with certain things in our city and in our state and in our nation at the way things are going. If you don't like something, the best way to fix that as a United States citizen, as your right and my right, is to vote. It doesn't cost a penny. It doesn't cost $1. It's free. That right is given to us, and let's use it. Get out and vote in November, folks. Thanks.